Yeah, it's that time of year again, I guess. It's been, what, probably about a year and a half since I've done that for the last time. Guess I'm gonna have to go shopping for some batteries. So the second thing that you need to do is take the battery out of this particular key card. So the way to do that would be to take the key out. Actually, the easiest way to take this particular cover, which is the battery, off is, I find I use this key card as sort of a wedge. So literally just put it under it and turn it, and it should just pop off. Be a little careful because there are certain things like this that can break, but I usually find it works relatively well. And there we are, that's your battery. So this little darling has to get out. Relatively simple. The second thing that you need, as you saw earlier, batteries. So these are the pure and simple what are they? The CR2032. Most supermarkets sell this. I literally bought this in my local Tesco. I'm a little concerned about the child safe thing, but that probably means I can't pry these open. So bear with me whilst I'm going to try and open this up. Well, they weren't kidding. Okay, obviously take that off, grab your key card, shove this thing back in, put this back on it. It literally just clicks into place. You hear it click, and then you're going to put this back in, and now you should have a fully functioning key card. Let's try that out.